Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to assign a different ringtone for every incoming call in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Play Store. Now in the search bar, you have to search for Ringtone Randomizer. Here you can see the option of Ringtone Randomizer. You have to install this. Now open this app. Press on Allow and go to Next. You have to turn on the button. Now go back. Now press on this plus icon. Now select your ringtone and press on this add option. So this is how to assign a different ringtone for every incoming call in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.